Good morning vlog, what is up? Welcome back to Life on Cam. Today it is currently 7 a.m. in the morning. We got up at 6:30 and Megan and I are currently on our way to Shasta with our family. If you can tell by the lack of energy and enthusiasm I have this morning, I may or may not have gotten 2 hours of sleep. And now we have a 7-hour car ride, so we're feeling a little rough, but we've got our coffee and we're ready to push through, so we'll keep you guys updated. What is up, vlog? It is currently 3:30. We've been in the car all day, but we just arrived. This is what we've got going on as of right now. You really can't see much. We're just waiting for the rest of our family before we check in to the boat. It is literally so hot. I think it's like 105 degrees. We'll keep you updated when we get on the boat. Good morning vlog. It is day 1 of Shasta. We ended up not vlogging at all when we got here yesterday because it was just a little bit hectic, but we made it to the houseboat and we thought it would be fun to show you guys a tour of what it looks like. This is our view. It's so beautiful and the waterfall is so blue. Yeah, it is. Say hi to the vlog. This is Megan's outfit to go on the jet ski. She's really not anticipating falling in or getting wet at all. Oh my god. Can you see? You get it. Point it up there.
Close the hatch! Close the hatch!
Oh my god. It's pouring. Update vlog. We are currently in the center of my god, I'm lost for words. We're literally in the center of a lightning storm right now. This is the most whack thing I've ever seen. We're gonna see if we can capture it on the vlog.
Hey Casey, we broke off our boat. We've come off the land. We are floating.
Oh my god, yeah, we're
moving. What we're about to
There's our boat.
Hey, hold on.
Why?
We're moving fucking fast right now. We're gonna hit the shore. I'm not joking you.
Okay, everybody hold on.
Everybody hold on. Seriously.
Grab something! I'm so scared, I'm just eating so many Cheerios.
Will you explain to the vlog what happened?
Basically, we broke off land.
Okay,
hold on.
So we are completely off land now. We are like literally in the middle of the lake. We're done.
Update vlog. It's been about 30 minutes since we've talked to you. The boat. We're moving away. from land, again, if you can see. The boat has been tossed around like about 100 times. We started right over here on that island, and now we've made it to here, all because of the thunderstorm. Explain to them because they might have been
We are trapped in the corner of the cove. We're gonna have to get pulled out by someone else because we can't move. We can't move forward. So we're stuck in this like triangle thing.
I'm walking.
Hey guys, as you can obviously tell, I am home now. We just got home from Shasta, and so I just wanted to end off the vlog here and say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Mwah!